Join me as I dive deep into the numbers and predictions to find out if China's economy is really crashing in 2025. China's economy is a behemoth on the global stage, playing a critical role in international trade, investment, and growth. As we look to 2025, it's natural to wonder what the future holds for this economic powerhouse. China's economy is facing some serious headwinds. The country's debt levels have been creeping up over the past decade, with some estimates suggesting it could be as high as 300% of GDP. This is a ticking time bomb, waiting to unleash a financial crisis the likes of which we've never seen before. The real estate market is another area of concern, with prices skyrocketing in recent years and leaving many wondering if it's all just a massive bubble waiting to burst. And let's not forget about the slowing growth rates. It's no secret that China's double-digit growth days are behind it. The combination of these factors is a recipe for disaster. If China's debt bubble bursts, it could send shockwaves throughout the entire global economy. The real estate market is particularly worrying, as it's been fueled by speculation and cheap credit. If prices were to suddenly drop, it could lead to a sharp decline in consumer spending, further exacerbating the economic slowdown. And with growth rates already slowing, it's hard to see where the next engine of growth will come from. But these are just a few of the internal factors affecting China's economy. There are also external influences at play, such as the ongoing trade war with the US and the shifting global economic landscape. The rise of protectionism and nationalism is making it harder for China to rely on exports as a driver of growth, and the country is being forced to adapt to a new reality. Demographic shifts are also playing a role, with China's population aging rapidly and putting pressure on the social security system. So what could be the trigger that sets off an economic crash? Some experts point to government policies, such as the recent crackdown on the tech sector, which has sent shockwaves through the markets. Others blame the global market influences, such as the ongoing pandemic and resulting supply chain disruptions. And then there are those who think demographic shifts will be the final straw, as China's aging population puts pressure on the healthcare and pension systems. One expert who has been vocal about the potential for an economic crash in 2025 is Dr. Michael Pettis, a professor at Peking University. He argues that China's debt levels are unsustainable and that the government's efforts to stimulate growth through infrastructure spending are only masking the deeper structural problems. According to Dr. Pettis, China's economy is facing a Minsky moment, where the debt bubble bursts and the entire economy comes crashing down. Dr. Pettis's warnings are dire, but other experts are more optimistic. They point to China's impressive track record of navigating economic crises and the government's ability to stimulate growth through targeted policies. However, even the most optimistic predictions can't deny the challenges facing China's economy in 2025. It's clear that the country is facing a complex web of internal and external factors, and predicting exactly what will happen is next to impossible. In conclusion, China's economy is facing some serious challenges in 2025, and predicting whether or not it will crash is a complex task. While some experts are sounding the alarm, others are more optimistic about the country's prospects. One thing is for sure, though, the world will be watching with bated breath as China navigates these treacherous economic waters. What do you think? Do you think China's economy is crashing in 2025? Let me know in the comments below.